All right, folks. Wrapping it up for today. Yes, the car's on one jack. I just need to get it up so I can sleep. We got the engine out. Well, I got the engine out. Been a long day. Stopping going, having to run errands and all that crap. But got it out. Next phase, cutting wires out we're not gonna need for the LT4 swap. Thin it down to the bare minimum. AC box coming out. Doing vintage air. Gonna take all the suspension off this thing. Steering box, everything. Get it naked up here. Wire wheel. Give me degrease, wire wheel, prime it, paint it, you know, all that good stuff. Make it look pretty good under here. I ain't gonna do a frame off, but it's gonna be a daily driver. Picked up another fender from my boy Todd in Alabama. I think his name is Austin Custom Welding, something like that on Instagram and Facebook. But I'll make sure I get it edited in here right here. Put his name. Anyways, Todd, he also did this was a hard top, converted to a T-top. Pretty cool. Works function just as it should. All new plates up here. I did have the glasses tinted. New rubbers and all that good whatnot. All right, there we go. Had to put a floor pan in here too also. Jamie's on edge. Kind of a storage bin right now, so yeah, she's a little messy, but today is February, what is it, 3rd, I believe, 2025. The Monte Carlo is now under full construction. Also have some more goodies over here. You know, the front nose for it. 12-bolt rear. Also done by Todd. Shortened. He fabricated. Can't think of the name of his lower torque boxes. I might be calling the wrong name, but yep. This is for the coilovers. Beautiful job on that. Yep. 84 SS Monte Carlo is under full construction as of today. Oh, also, folks, it has been mini tub by Todd and frame notch by Todd. See it? I don't know if I said if Todd did floor pans. Also, frame notch in the front for by Todd. Full turn, put 24s on it, no rub, no screw. But that's all I got to say today, folks. Stay tuned.